Here we have a cute little bear that sings to us when we press his chest. And here he is with his coat removed, and we can see the mechanics where every time we push the little button down there, the lips move, and here's the mechanism that does that. You can see the single spring in there that's responsible for the lip movement and the return of the button. Just a single spring for it all. A little button that was in his paw. Here's the button pivot and the little mechanism that pushes the button on the switch to make the singing start. And there we have it.